Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
UMLA Kamalim constituency Ubaroni v Lingdo. Lawan Ra Gajingkali Ïing Dorbar. Laka Sarkar Kedonjing Tmun Manchna Surokno. Nalo Sotun Babanmi Surokba apa Shillong. Halo kini usumbut Myntri Rangbah upet yakatnat PWD Road ba Preston Tensong ulang baka sarkar kerenjing temu bakadang penkre banchna ndekadang up yaka forest clearance. Ba roni ula benrap shushu da ka boong ba Myntri Rangbah ka jilau konra ke sangma udon Ïing sha apa Shillong bajan bro ki MLA ki hap ya lenti na apa Shillong ndekajing thang kalipan kalong ka bajur hadu bamu bayat haringkat ki pelit pahararu ka Shim Kynta na Ïing jong u na san mer ban poi sha sor Shillong. Uba roni ulaong bagi rupat ba lele ke Shimpor wat hadu lain sau Kyntaru ban poisor.
Member from Nongtumai said,
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 66A, yes, sir. B, sir, the status of DPR preparation is in progress and forest clearance is also awaiting. And C, sir, does not arise in view at A above.
Rooney, your supplementary.
so I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister because he had given an assurance earlier in the House. And sir, may I request through you, sir, may I request the Deputy Chief Minister if he can follow up with the forest clearance. Sir. And then another thing, sir, to my honorable member from Nongtumai, I said that half the cabinet lives in his constituency. So I'd like to inform you, the Honorable Chief Minister has a house in my constituency, sir.
Oh my God.
And most of the members have to pass through Upper Shillong, sir, to reach, Shillong or wherever they want to go. So, sir, may I request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, if that is the condition for, giving additional allotment to the supplementary demand, may I ask more be given, sir, to Upper Shillong because Honorable Chief Minister has a house there, sir, and most of the members from west, southwest, east, even from my good friend from Omlarem, sometimes comes through that road, sir. So, sir, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for this, and may I request him, sir, there are more proposals to have these arterial roads, so to ease the congestion, sir, so that we can, solve this problem together, to ease the congestion that is facing. Sir, I'd like to inform you, with the escort, took me 1 hour, sir, to reach the house. That's why I was about 10 minutes late. The traffic congestion is so much, sir, there. That is so difficult to commute. And, I was even shouted from the streets, you leave early, sir. If the house starts at 10, I leave at 9, then how? I think I cannot leave earlier than that also. So, sir, we are talking about the general public that is going through this nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare, sir. It is a nightmare. We take 3-4 hours to reach Shillong or any part of the city, sir. So may I request, I'll be giving proposal and I would request the Deputy Chief Minister to consider those also, sir, so that we have more arterial roads, so that there is traffic jam, we can utilize those roads, sir. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for this, sir. Thank you.
The hour is over.